In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a trade into TradesViz. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open your dashboard, then you want to go over here on the left-hand side, go down, and here you can see import and add trade. The first one is going to be to add the trade, so click on add trade over here, and as you can see, you can type in your symbol. So if I do, for example, Apple like this, it's auto-detected as stock. I'm going to actually make it all caps like this. There we go. You can then type in your price. I'm going to do like this, so something random. And of course, here you can select the side, either buy or sell, depending on your actual trade. You can go and select your trade date as well as your time and the quantity as well, okay? Then over here, you can select option trade. If it's, of course, an option trade, you can also log in that way. And if it's still open, you have to check it over here. But if it's not, you can just, of course, type in the exit price and the exit date and time. There's also more options down here. So if you want to add any of these things, like different tags, notes, commissions, fees, etc., you can add them down here as well. Then when you are ready, simply click on the save button over here, and there we go. It's going to save your trade. And if you now click on view trade over here, it's going to show you everything you put in here inside this add trade tab. Now, of course, option 2 is going to be automatic import, which is going to be recommended for brokerages. So you can just basically click on the import button over here, and you can then import from this page over here. So you can select your trading account, you can select the broker over here. I'm just going to click on a random one here, and you'll be able to basically import basically your trades for that specific broker as well, which is going to be much quicker than doing it manually for each and every single trade. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.